This is a naval chair, late 18th century, made of mahogany. Why is it called a naval chair as opposed to being an army chair or just simply a campaign chair? Well, it's made to fold up very quickly. You've heard the expression clear the decks. Well, that expression comes from the Royal Navy and having to move everything out of the way super quick, so as soon as you engage the enemy or you sight them, you can clear the decks, move all of the furniture, anything that is in the cabins down below deck or into boats that you're towing behind. And the reason was that they had cannon all over the ship. So you had to clear all the furniture to be able to operate the cannon successfully. But more than that, most of the casualties on board the ship were from splinters caused by cannonballs striking the ship. So you would get a cannonball, say, hitting a chair like this if it's in the way, splitting it in half and sending wooden splinters all over the place. Pretty horrible, really, not a nice way to go. So, as much as you can get out of the way, it's going to make your life much easier to operate the cannon and also less chance of a piece of furniture potentially killing you. So, how does this fold up so neatly and easily? Well, as you can see, it's all to do with hinges. And on each side, you've got a pair of hinges. And when the seat frame is removed, which holds the frame at its maximum, it'll fold and flat pack. And while we're here, let's just have a look at the detail on this. So hopefully you can just see in here, you've got the mortise hole and also cut onto this section of wood and below, you've got a little half rounded tenon which slots into the mortise hole and just makes it that little bit stronger when it's set up. So look, really neat and compact. It's had a little bit of work to it. It's more than 200 years old. The shoe has been replaced here, and also this top bar of the back and the seat frame, which was missing. But still, an interesting chair. I've always thought naval chairs are just a fantastic design, all done with hinges, no screws to legs, which will take you time to remove. And it looks just like a domestic chair of the day. If ever you're in Portsmouth, England, and you visit HMS Victory, you'll see some copies of these chairs on board. And as a dining chair, perfectly comfortable. English naval chair, late 18th century, made of mahogany.